revoked. Law enforcement targeted doctors, pharmacists, and medical workers accused of illegally distributing prescription drugs. KITV 4's Diane joins us live in the newsroom tonight. Diane?
The Drug Enforcement Agency targeted Hawaii, Nevada, and California in what they call Operation Hypocritical Oath to catch medical professionals illegally distributing opioids like oxycodone.
America is suffering from an opioid epidemic, according to the Drug Enforcement Agency. It says more than 11 million Americans abuse opioids. That's why it launched Operation Hypocritical Oath last February.
This initiative focused on medical professionals such as doctors, nurse practitioners, physician's assistants who illegally prescribe and dispense pharmaceutical-controlled substances.
It's going after suspects in Hawaii, California, and Nevada who took the Hippocratic Oath to do no harm, but are now accused of hurting those they swore to help.
Over 130 people die each day from opioid overdoses.
Hawaii's U.S. Attorney Kenji Price says the overdose death rate is not as high in Hawaii as in the rest of the country, but his office is working with the DEA to keep catching criminals.
We're not going to stand by idly while folks violate the law by illegally supplying painkillers to the vulnerable people in our communities.
In the last 12 months, the crackdown included the arrest of Tripler Army Medical Center technician Olivia Ronquillo, who got a year in prison for handing out more than 8,000 narcotics without a prescription. Alika Ka'ahu, whose trial is set for March for allegedly distributing heroin and oxycodone. And then there's Hilo Dr. Ernest Bade and his team.
The doctor and his 4 employees were prescribing and unlawfully distributing powerful narcotics, sedatives, and opioids such as hydrocodone, oxycodone, fentanyl, and morphine.
They have yet to go on trial for the charges. Most healthcare workers do the right thing, says the DEA, but even that small percentage illegally handing out prescription medication can have a major negative influence on the community.
There's 4,500 prescribers here in Hawaii, and if close to 0.5% of those are doing something illicitly, that's 20 to 25 people. That could be extremely damaging to a small community like Hawaii.
Operation Hypocritical Oath ends in February, but law enforcement promises its effort to stop the opioid epidemic will not, and promises more arrests in the near future.
If you have information about a possible case, you can call 541-1930 or 877-RX-ABUSE. Reporting live in the newsroom, Diane, KITV 4 Island News.
Diane, Hawaii County is alerting the public about a recent mail and phone scam. They say